What's up, guys? Here's the footage I got from the Honda side-by-side class at the Muddn185 Vessel Power Sports Bounty Hole this past weekend. It was a ton of fun. The side-by-sides have a lot more power than the ATVs, so they really started tearing up the hole. So a lot of crazy stuff. Some people actually got stuck, and it was pretty cool. When we get to the unlimited class, it gets even crazier because obviously Can-Am horsepower is king. But this was a lot of fun. Marshall entered my 2022 Pioneer 1000. That's running the Adam Brown 28% low-range gear reduction, and it's pretty much stock other than that, and 33-inch Tarachi Aztecs. And Marshall was able to place third, which is outstanding, considering he was the only Pioneer and the only one without portals, and he's only on 33s. But yeah, so enjoy the footage. I'm kind of guessing who got first and second because, again, like with my other video, they weren't announcing times. There was no leaderboard. So I looked at the times in my video to try to guess. If I got that wrong, I'm sorry. But Marshall did place third, and it was pretty awesome to see the Pioneer kicking ass.
Ready, ready. Get it, let's get it.
There you go, feel it, feel it.
So that was absolutely an awesome run by Marshall. The 33-inch Tarachi Aztecs pull like an absolute freight train. I love that tire. But his driving was key here, right? Because he knew not to just floor it. He would have totally got stuck in the first 20 feet of the hole if he had just put his foot to the floor. A lot of good throttle control. Very impressed. But full disclosure, Marshall was the very first person to run the side-by-side class. He went directly after my run, my second run on the Rubicon. So that definitely played a role. But that's how bounty holes are, right? It's kind of random when you get to run. Dude, right at the entrance they dug a hole. That's hilarious. Because now no one else is going to place. There you go. You see how these other wheels are really spinning? There you go!
He's got it.
Yeah, he's got it.
There's a bunch of shoes left in there. Gets out.
So at the end of the event, I actually took the Pioneer back and forth through the bounty hole both directions, no problem, just to prove that throttle control is key. And to point out one other thing a lot of the Talons were missing is a true front locker. I4-wheel drive was pretty much useless in this bounty hole scenario.